Okay, now over here, for those who got a problem creating an account on SAM for assignments week 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 11, 12, 13, and 14. Because you're going to use SAM for that. It's a simulation environment, like my IT lab, but this one is stable. And we can use it for assignment, not for extra credit. Only my IT lab for extra credit. Anyway, let's go to SAM. And over here, there is that is the page for SAM, and you can see how to enroll in SAM 2013. If you click on those PowerPoints, you can see exactly what you have to do. So initial setup, it tells you to go to Cengage. This is the login, and it asks you for new SAM 2013 users. Click the new user button, and then follow the on-screen prompt. So over here, we get new user, and then ask you the institution key. Okay, where can you get the institution key? It's just the next slide. It is T2100457. This is the University of Colorado Denver. So T2100457. 00457. And you hit submit. It says that this is the University of Colorado, correct? Okay. Ask you about your initial name, so you just type your name. This is me. Email address. Okay, over here you have to use your school email address. But because I already have an account on my school email address, I'm going to use another email. So I'm going to use an email, the password you want to create. And then alias if you need, ID, we don't need that, communication email, web city ID, we don't need that, secret question, and then you pick whatever secret questions you want. Okay, and then you confirm. Once you confirm, you created the account, just hit an I agree, and you log into SAM. Okay, then what you have to do? You filled all the user profile confirmation, and then profile confirmation, terms and condition. Okay. First of all, always make sure to download Adobe Flash Player. If you don't have it, just click on the link one more time on the SAM page. There's Adobe Flash Player. You go and click on that, and it asks you your Google Chrome browser already includes Adobe Flash. If you don't have it, please download it because you need it. Okay. Now what do you have to do? You go to sections and you have to find your section. So for instructor, you have to join a section. Your section is the fall 2013 section E01. You put it to the right and you click on save. By this, you are now in the section. And you can see my name, instructor Alan Suryasan, and your status is accepted. Okay. Now you can go to the SAM assignment. Over here, just notice there is 2 pages. The first one, those are the assignments that you have after you complete successfully. You have to print out the report and submit it on Canvas. The second page got the training. The training is not graded. It's for you. For each assignment, there's a training associated with it. So, for example, Workshop 05 training, you click on it, you hit OK. Oh, I'm just making some tea, so I have to turn off gas just a second. Okay, I came back here. Oops, I lost that. Let's go back to the training. This is the training window, and you can click on Observe. So this is more a video showing you what is going on. Now, after you finish the observe, and you can, for each question you can observe it. So question 2, you can observe. After you finish watching the video, you can go to practice. Now, practice kind of walk you through it. So here, you have to follow whatever Sam is telling you to do. So equal, v lookup, you open parentheses, F5, and then from J5 to K8, and put number 2. Let's assume that you're done with the whole thing. You can go to apply. Now apply actually asks you to do things. It actually kind of simulate what's going on in your assignment. So over here, it asks you to create a formula using the VLOOKUP function time the following. So just go like, for example, equal VLOOKUP and put F5 J5 K8 2 and hit enter. Let's assume that you completed this training. You go to the exit, and also I want to show you that over here to the left there's the show task list where you can see the tasks that you have to complete. So this training, you have to complete the sum, VLOOKUP, F function, average, F count, FD count, using OR function and using sum F. Okay, and you can jump between those wherever you want to go. For example, you want to go and see the OR function. This is how you can apply the OR function. Can you click on exit? Are you sure? Yes, I am. Okay, I don't want to print this. Sorry, close. Okay. So now over here, you're done with the training. Now you can go to the assignment, and in the assignment, you can click on workshop 05, and here make sure that double check that it tells you that you have 3 times to try the same task. Then you are allowed to retake the whole assignment once. Hit OK. It opens now your assignment. So in the assignment, it's the same as the training, but there's no help down here. There's no time limit. You have to finish this assignment once you open it. You have 3 attempts for each task, and you can take the whole thing again one time. Each task has a number here, so if you face any problem with any of those tasks, you just email me with the task number, and I will double check. I can replay your assignment and see what you have been or what you did in your assignment. And this is the assignment task list as well. So the same as you did in that training, you have to do it now, but as an assignment. It says with a single action, insert a sum formula into the selected cell, press enter when done. So you click on the sum, and you hit enter. Now it tells you answer correct, advancing to the next question. So what is great about this? This is a simulation environment. It's not on your computer, so you don't have to worry about if you use it in 2007, 2010, or 2013. And this runs also under Windows 8 in a simulation environment. It's on the cloud, it's not on your computer, so you don't have to worry if you're using Mac or PC. This is what's great about it. So let's assume that you finished the whole thing. Go to exit. Are you sure? Yes. Once you exit, you go to results, and here you can see the results of your assignment. If I click on this assignment, for example, you go and generate reports. Once you generate report, you actually can see your results here, the score, now the task, if you did it correctly or not, and what is this. This is a link that actually takes you to the training that was associated with that test that you missed. So for example, you do not know how to do the VLOOKUP function, so you click on the training and now you can go and get the do the training again. So this is really cool. You can train it after you submit the first time. You can go and train again and go back and submit to get 100%.